Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a mirror command is discussed here. Today a simple and very useful and helpful command, a mirror, and mirror command is very used in Solidworks. And guys, today learn here a Solidworks lecture 41 and Solidworks all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, mirror command is very important useful in Solidworks command. Okay, let's start here and how to easily use and how to easily work in Solidworks this mirror command. Okay, this is our Solidworks interface, and at first select any plane and draw any geometry, then use this 3D command is mirror. Okay, and at first click a circle is a draw here. Okay, then mention any dimension. This diameter is a diameter is a 160 is correct. This is a delete here. Okay, this line you delete here, and again select this. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit, and some use extrude boss command is a this is a thickness is this. Okay, 30 millimeter is correct and perfect, and some use a plane is a white, and use a cartoon is apply here also. Okay, and this face is select here and a sketch normal, and okay, draw a any polygon is a this is a perfect. Okay, this is a polygon is a perfect, and this is a drag here, this is a correct. Okay, and some use a pattern command is use circular pattern, and then this is a correct, and also this face is a correct, this is a correct edge point, and this is a 4, and select this entities means this is a okay, this is a correct, all is a looking so perfect. Okay, this is a drag here, and this is a 5 6 6 is a better, and 360-degree angle and equal spacing all is perfect. This is a okay, all is perfect, and okay, and select a extrude boss. Okay, means, and this is a height is a this is a perfect, 70 and 60 is perfect. Okay, looking very nice, and this is color is change here. Okay, this is a this body color is a blue color. Okay, and again select this color is a okay, and select this is a color is red. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and some use this. Okay, again select a color is a this face is this green color is a okay, this is so nice looking here, all is perfect. Okay, this is a so nice, and again select this face and normal, and circle is a draw here, and okay, this is a perfect. Mention dimension, diameter is a 50 is correct, and exit, and extrude cut is a okay, this is a so nice looking here. Okay, and use this mirror command and click this mirror command is used here, and at first click any plane is created here, and this face, and this is a this middle correct, all is perfect, this is a middle. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK, and then use a mirror command and select already plane is select here, and then feature is a this is a feature. Okay, all is perfect, and okay, this is a looking. Okay, again select a mirror, then use a this also and click OK, all is looking perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and select a this is extrude. Okay, this is a okay, this is also very nice looking here, and this is a correct, all is correct, and this plane is hide. Okay, and this mirror command is very looking nice, and this face is selected, and this is a normal, and okay, select a circle and click OK, this is a drag here, and pattern is a use here, circular pattern, and click this edge point and equal spacing, and okay, click this correct, and also pattern is increase, click OK, and extrude cut is a, and this is up to next, up to next is correct. Okay, all is body looking so nice here, all is perfect. Okay, this is a looking so nice here, and this body is a correct. Okay, so nice looking here. Okay, okay guys, and some color is change here, and select this face. Okay, this is a select face means this okay, all is looking perfect, and select this face is also this is a very looking perfect, all is a correct, and this face also, and this face is a also okay, looking very nice. Okay, okay guys, mirror command is a discuss here, easily learn here, and I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, I hope guys get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, okay guys, thank you.